Hey, outdoor enthusiasts, are you ready to take your hiking and camping adventures to the next level? Choosing the right backpack can make a huge difference in comfort, organization, and overall experience on the trail. Whether you're planning a weekend trek, a week-long expedition, or just need a reliable day pack, the perfect hiking backpack keeps your gear secure, your weight balanced, and your essentials within easy reach. In this video, we are counting down the top 5 best hiking backpacks that combine durability, comfort, and smart features to help you enjoy every step of your journey. Links to all products are in the description. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5, VenturePal 40-liter hiking backpack. Kicking off our list is the VenturePal 40-liter lightweight backpack, a versatile and compact day pack perfect for travel, hiking, or camping. Weighing only 1 pound, this backpack can fold into its own pocket for easy storage and travel, making it ideal for those who want functionality without bulk. One standout feature is the upgraded wet pocket, which helps separate sweaty clothes, towels, or other items after exercise or swimming. This thoughtful addition keeps your main compartment clean and organized. The backpack also features multiple compartments, including a main zip section, front pocket, and side pockets, along with an internal small zippered pocket and separator to keep essentials like water bottles, trail snacks, or climbing gear neatly organized. Made from tear and water-resistant nylon, reinforced with heavy-duty metal zippers and bar tacks at stress points, this backpack is built to last. Reflective fabric increases visibility for nighttime outdoor activities, adding a safety element for evening hikes. The breathable mesh shoulder straps and chest clip with whistle buckle help distribute weight evenly, providing comfort even on longer treks. If you want a lightweight, foldable, and affordable backpack for everyday hiking or short adventures, the VenturePal 40 liters is a solid choice. Number 4, Amazon Basics Internal Frame Hiking Backpack. Next is the Amazon Basics Internal Frame Hiking Backpack, a spacious and durable option for serious hikers and campers. With a 65-liter capacity, 60 liters plus a 5-liter extension collar, this backpack provides ample space for long trips, carrying everything from tents and sleeping bags to clothing and gear. Comfort is a priority here. The adjustable straps, padded shoulder straps, and open cell foam lumbar pad ensure a snug fit while supporting the lower back and promoting airflow to reduce sweat. The internal frame keeps the load stable, while multi-directional compression straps secure gear in place and prevent jostling during movement. This backpack is built to handle all weather conditions. Its water-repellent exterior coating and integrated water-resistant rainfly protect your belongings from light rain, while a provided waterproof cover is perfect for heavier downpours. Organization is also a strong point. Extensive pockets, compartments, and a large sleeping bag compartment make it easy to keep gear neat and accessible. The Amazon Basics Internal Frame Backpack offers a reliable, feature-packed option for extended hikes where space, comfort, and weather protection matter most. So number 3, Teton 65-liter Explorer Internal Frame Backpack. At number 3, we have the Teton 65-liter Explorer Backpack, a versatile and affordable choice for both beginner and experienced backpackers. Its internal frame ensures a stable load, while the adjustable torso panel and padded lumbar support optimize comfort for medium to tall adventurers. The Teton Explorer excels in organization with multi-directional compression straps, spacious compartments, and a large sleeping bag compartment. There's also a hydration pocket for easy access to water on the trail. The backpack's thoughtful design ensures weight is distributed evenly, reducing strain on your back and shoulders during long treks. Durable construction is another highlight. Made for outdoor adventures, the Teton Explorer handles rough conditions while remaining lightweight. An integrated rain cover ensures your gear stays dry in sudden showers, making this backpack perfect for unpredictable mountain weather. With its combination of affordability, comfort, and practical features, the Teton 65-liter Explorer is an excellent choice for long day hikes, overnight trips, or multi-day expeditions. Number 2, Granite Gear Blaze 60. Runner-up on our list is the Granite Gear Blaze 60, a high-performance backpack gear built for serious hikers and backpackers who want a lightweight yet capable pack. This backpack features an air current AC frame with a 50-pound load rating, allowing it to carry heavier gear comfortably while maintaining optimal balance. The Blaze 60 is designed for customization. Its dual-density shoulder harness, load lifter straps, removable sternum strap, and whistle buckle provide a precise fit for your torso and enhanced stability on rugged trails. A cinch and roll closure with crossing webbing straps ensures your gear stays compressed and secure, while the removable lid converts into a front chest pack for quick access to essentials. Hydration is also easy with a dedicated internal sleeve and port, keeping your water bladder secure and accessible. The fabric is made with triple ripstop nylon, ensuring extreme durability in high abrasion areas, making this pack capable of handling rough terrain and heavy loads. With a tall, vertical, hidden zipper, you can reach the main compartment's bottom without unpacking the entire bag. This backpack is ideal for long-distance hikes, backpacking trips, or anyone who prioritizes lightweight design without sacrificing load capacity or durability. Number 1. Osprey Atmos, a GLT65. And finally, taking the top spot is the Osprey Atmos AGLT65, a premium backpack designed for serious backpackers and multi-day treks. With a 65-liter capacity and the anti-gravity suspension system, this backpack provides a body-hugging fit that distributes weight evenly and maximizes comfort. The Atmos AGLT is perfect for long journeys, thanks to its fit-on-the-fly hip belt and intuitive ladder adjustment back panel, allowing for precise torso and hip adjustments. This ensures that the pack remains balanced, stable, and comfortable, even under heavy loads. Storage is abundant and thoughtfully arranged. It includes side panel zip access, a floating top lid, reinforced shove-it pocket, and an internal hydration sleeve, so you can easily organize your gear and stay hydrated on the go. The integrated rain cover protects your gear from inclement weather, making it a reliable companion in all conditions. Durability is a hallmark of the Atmos AGLT. Made from Bluesign approved recycled fabrics, it combines lightweight materials with long-lasting construction. Even when fully loaded, the backpack remains comfortable, thanks to adjustable straps, load lifter technology, and a ventilated back panel that reduces sweat and heat buildup. Whether you're tackling a weekend hike, a week-long trek, or a long backcountry expedition, the Osprey Atmos AGLT 65 provides unmatched comfort, durability, and carrying capacity. It's a premium backpack that truly delivers on all fronts. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best hiking backpacks. Whether you need a lightweight day pack, a roomy multi-day backpack, or a performance-focused trail companion, there's an option here for every adventurer. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. See you in the next one.